In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an image border in Webflow as part of our 2025 easy tutorial series. Whether you're a seasoned designer or someone just starting out, adding a stylish border can make your images stand out and give them that extra touch of elegance. First, let's get started by opening your Webflow project. Once you've got your project open, head over to the Add panel, which you can find by pressing A on your keyboard. This is where you'll find the tools you need to customize your page. From this panel, simply drag an image element onto your canvas. This will be your working space for the image you'll be editing. Now that you have an image placeholder, it's time to choose the image you want to work with. Open up the Assets panel on the left side where you can either select an image that you've already uploaded or you can upload a new one directly from your computer. Once your image is on the canvas, you'll want to click on it to make it active. Next, with your image selected, turn your attention to the Style panel, which is located on the right side of your screen. In this panel, you'll give your image a class name. Giving it a class name such as image border is crucial because it allows you to reuse the same styling on multiple images across your project. Just type the name into the field and hit enter. Now comes the fun part, adding the border itself. Still within the style panel, scroll down until you find the border section. This is where you'll customize the details of your image border. You can adjust the width, choose a style, and pick a color that suits your brand or aesthetic preferences. For a classic look, you might choose a width of about 3 pixels, a solid style, and a color like black to make your image pop against any background, but feel free to experiment here. Different combinations can create a unique and impactful look. Once you've set up these border properties, it's a good idea to preview your work before going live. Look for the preview button, which is represented by an eye icon. Click it to see how your image looks with the border across different devices, including desktop, tablet, and mobile views. This step ensures everything displays perfectly and functions well, providing your visitors with an optimal experience. Finally, when you're happy with how everything looks, just hit the Publish button. This will apply your changes and make the bordered image live on your site. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you've successfully added a stylish border to your image in Webflow. Thanks for watching and happy designing.